In a time when football ruled the lands like mighty kingdoms, peace reigned across every stadium and field. But one day, a strange and powerful force descended from the skies, turning arenas into battlefields. Only one hero, Maradona, the greatest warrior the world had ever seen, could stand against them. Yet, even the bravest legend cannot fight forever. When the world needed him most, he vanished into history. From the shadows of that silence, two new champions were born. Two warriors whose names would echo across every corner of the globe. Messi, Ronaldo, and the fate of the world would soon rest in their hands.